Okay, singa muna. Excuse me. Okay, that was unintentional. Excuse me. Okay, I'm sneezing into the mic. Sa mga nanonood, every time I mute my mic, that only means two things. It's either I'm sneezing or I'm blowing on my handkerchief. Sick as hell. OBS stream. Laugh trip pero mute na nga lang, nahatching na ako eh. Ay gago, rinig. Narinig niyo ako suminga, nakakatawa. Hindi niyo sinasabi, I hate you guys, I hate you guys, I hate you guys so much. Samahan niyo! I wanna cry. Narinig niyo lahat yun. Ay, samahan niyo. Kaya pa ako sumisinga dito. Di yung sinasabi. Yung sabi ko pa sa inyo na nag-mute ako. Wait lang.